Watch this. I am going to type one sentence and my entire Go High Level agency is going to do something that used to take me 20 minutes. One message and that's it. Watch what happens. You see, done. User created, permission set, calendar assigned, and in literally 10 seconds. Okay, let me show you what I used to do before this. Settings, theme, add user, fill this long form, set permission one by one, go to calendars, find the calendars, assign the user. That's like 15 clicks and 3 different pages. And now I just talk to Claude and it does everything. Okay, watch this one. This one is crazy. I am asking Claude to search through all my contacts, read their notes, and only show me the ones marked as good leads. This would take me forever manually, you know. There, instantly it read every single contact note and found exactly what I asked for. This is not automation. This is AI that actually understands what I am saying. Okay, now this one. It blew my mind when I first did it. I'm asking Claude to build me an entire AI agent inside GHL. It just built me a complete lead qualification AI agent with band framework on 4 channels and then automatically created 4 qualification tags to go with it. I did not click anything. I did not fill any form. I just described what I wanted. One more. This one saves me hours every week. Snapshot share link. Instant. I used to dig through my agency account to find this every time a client needed. I just ask. So, what is this actually? I built a custom MCP server that connects Claude AI directly to Go High Level. It has 192 tools covering literally everything in GHL: contacts, conversations, calendars, workflows, users, permissions, sub accounts, invoices, products, snapshots, AI agents, voice AI, social planner, blogs, everything. Agency level and sub account level. You can manage your entire GHL agency by just talking to Claude. No clicking through 14 tabs, no copy pasting IDs, just natural language. So I am a root and I set this up for agencies who want to work smarter. Yeah. If you want this connected to your Go High Level account, comment Claude below or send me a DM. I will set up the entire system for you, configure it to your agency, and show you exactly how to use it. This is the future of how agencies manage GHL, and you can have it this week. Drop Claude in the comments and let's go.